Welcome back, DIYers and RV dwellers. If you're ready to change out these old rusty crusty yellowed fixtures to something newer, LED with bulbs that don't need to be changed, watch this video. I got these on Amazon, super easy install, surface mount, so you don't have to worry about making any new holes. Have to remove the first fixture that was there, which is pretty easy. You slide off the globe and then you expose the 4 screws or 2 screws. It depends on how industrious they were when they put it up. Take it down. If you have these clamp connectors and they're easy access, I usually cut below them. Unfortunately, it's constant power, but it's 12 volts. So keep your hand on the insulated part of your pliers, as I show here. Always use pliers that are properly insulated. And you clip. I do it right below the connectors, or you could do it right above connectors. Either way is fine. You're gonna have to add your own connectors afterwards, though, because these fixtures don't come with them. They do come with 2 little easy wire nuts, though. And you see they're LED. The bulbs are already integrated. I love that. You shouldn't have to change it. This has a push button switch on and off, which is important because we're replacing a switch fixture. So if you don't have another switch to control it, you definitely want to keep it that way. In this case, it's going to be white to red, black to the positive connector. I hate to say the colors because it's not so much the colors as how you saw it connected before. So some of these fixtures will have that follow the white-black scheme. Others won't. In this case, the red is positive and the black is the negative. And so now that we have them connected and tied appropriately with the wire nuts, we're gonna shove the wire back up into the hole, see there, and then use the screws that it came with to mount it up top. I always test the fixture before I put it up to make sure that it's working before I put the screws up and then have to go through the joys of taking it back down again. Not fun. We've all been there. So now you're going to put in the 3 small screws that came with. Be careful not to go over the screw holes that were already there, because more than likely those holes are already stripped out and it won't hold. Be careful too with placement and make sure you're covering the other hole if at all possible. You may need a little wood putty, like in our case, to cover up the other holes that were left from the other fixture since it was a longer fixture. This light fixture I really like too because it has a dimming possibility, not big time dimming, but I'll illustrate it coming up. And it has like a night light feature where it has like a cool blue glow to it. Really good for the price. I thought they're really good fixtures. I believe it was 4 for like $25 or something like that. It broke down to something like that, no more than $10 a fixture. And they've been working very well for us. So hope you have the same success as I did. As always, leave questions and comments below. Like, subscribe, follow for more DIY videos, and let me know how it works for you. I really am interested. Have a good one. See you next time.